Okay, now that you've had a chance to practice on two triangle diagrams, we're going to go into some word problems. So again, you always want to make sure that you're drawing a well-labeled diagram. So this first one, we have a mountain climber who's on top of a mountain that is 680 meters high. The angles of depression to 2 points on opposite sides of the mountain are 48 and 32 degrees. And how long would a tunnel be that runs between the 2 points? Okay, so basically we have a picture where I have a guy on top of a mountain. The mountain is 680 meters tall. The angle of depression to 2 points on opposite sides. So looking over here and over here, looking downward. Okay, so the angle of depression on one side is 48 degrees and on the other side is 32 degrees. It wants to know how far apart are the 2 points. Okay, so keeping in mind, remember that if the 48 degrees is here, it's also down here. Same with 32. So basically, I'm going to calculate this distance right here and this distance right here on that triangle, and I will add them together. So in the red triangle, I've got opposite and adjacent. It's using tangent. So tan of 48 equals 680 over x. So I end up with 680 over tan of 48 degrees. X is equal to 612.3. Got that side. Now in my green triangle, same thing. It's going to be opposite and adjacent, so we're going to use the tangent again. Tan of 32 is opposite over adjacent. So I end up with 680 over tan of 32, which gives me 1,088.2 meters. So my overall total will be the two of them added together, which comes out to 1,700.5 meters. All right, I've given you a diagram to help you with this one. So it says two guy wires support a flagpole. The first wire is 11.2 meters long and has an angle between the ground and the wire of 39 degrees. That's this first triangle here. So it says that that wire is 11.2 meters long, and the second wire has an angle between the ground and the wire of 47 degrees. So that's going to be out here, 47 degrees. How tall is the flagpole? So we want to calculate that length right there. So basically I have a little red triangle with an angle of 39 degrees and 11.2. And I have a taller blue triangle with an angle of 47 degrees, and I want to calculate that there. So again, this bottom side is in common between the two. So I'm going to calculate that side length there. So that's going to be adjacent and hypotenuse. So that is cos x over 11.2. So when I multiply by 11.2, that tells me that that side is 8.7 meters. So I know that this is 8.7 down here as well. And then I can just do the same thing. So this is going to be opposite and adjacent, which is tangent. So tangent of 47 is x over 8.7. And when I multiply by 8.7, I get 9.3 meters.